This is a 2009 Toyota Camry. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light. Alright, as you can see, my maintenance light is on. So what we're going to have to do is get it to trip A right here. So trip B, odometer, trip A. Okay, so now I'm going to put it into the on position where the dash is all lit up. While in trip A, you're going to hold down the odometer trip button here and then turn the vehicle off and then back on. So give me 1 second to do that and you can see it's gone. Alright, so I've held down this trip button, turned off the vehicle, and then turned it back on to where the dash lit up, the ignition on section, ignition on second position. So when you do so, obviously it's going to clear trip A, it's going to have a bunch of hashes, and then just say 000. So now you see it's kind of gone now, but let's just start the vehicle to be sure. And now it's gone. So that's how you reset the vehicle, or the maintenance light on the vehicle. So thanks for watching, you guys. Please like and subscribe. More videos to come.